Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. See how gold was unfolding this morning in the London session. You could see that gold was definitely bearish. The 5 had crossed the 13 in the night and it was working its way lower. When we came into the London session, we were right here in this area. Um, the 5 was below the 13, the 50 was below the 200, and price was below all of it. So we were looking to trade gold to the downside. The problem was we didn't really have any kind of a decent setup. There wasn't a really good setup here on the 30-minute chart. The Unirenko chart, of course, is our primary trading chart, but there was really no decent setup there either, because when we came in, the Unirenko chart was right in here. It was obviously in a downtrend, very bearish, and continuing to work its way lower. But again, no pullback, no setup. We just didn't have any way to get in, but we were definitely looking to play it to the short side. What we did end up getting was a nice setup on the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart set up this bear flag right here, this bar. And again, everything bearish, 5 below the 13, all the EMAs, the 50 below the 200, actually broke out of the cloud right in there, made a retest, pulled back down, and was continuing to work its way lower. Again, everything all in alignment, and we had this big strong push to the downside, consolidated a little bit, and then right in here we had set up this bear flag on the setup bar. This bar triggered it, and that triggered in underneath 1553.60, which our entry was 1553.50, and it just continued to work its way down. And gold just stayed bearish all the way down. We had a target area down here at 1547.20. We hit our target, and at the same time we were significantly undervalued. Now on the 15, we were also significantly undervalued on the 30-minute chart. We were using our Unirenko chart as our way of managing the trade, and we were all the way down in here. We hit our target area down here, hit significantly undervalued on the 30-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, and you could see on the Unirenko chart the VSI was way down into the oversold area, painting dots. We got the reversal bar, and that was at a target area, and we know that's a good place to, at the very least, tighten stops or take profits. In this particular case, you had the opportunity to make as much as 60 ticks on that run to the downside, or $600 per contract. So sometimes when things don't set up, we have to look in other areas. We can use a 15-minute chart for a trigger. Often we use a 2-minute chart for a trigger as well. In this particular case, we got a nice setup off the 15-minute chart, and we're able to take some decent profits in gold this morning.